Okay, today we're going to do paper weaving, and I'm going to show you, this is a smaller piece of paper. You're going to have two colors of your choice. You're going to have a 9 by 10. This is actually a little smaller though. It's the only thing I had at home. And we're going to do, you're going to set up your loom. This is called your loom. First you take your paper and you fold it in half like it's a hamburger, okay? So you fold it down where each corner touches, and we've done this before. Set it in the center and crease all the way across. Now this is actually thicker than the paper that you're going to have. Now, you're going to use your shoulder buddy. That means a person next to you. That's something I'm going to start using that I found from another video that I liked. And what you're going to do is at the top, you're going to ask your shoulder buddy, saying, is this right? So you have the crease closest to you, and then at the top is open. Okay, so you want your shoulder buddy to check before you cut. So you're going to take your ruler, and we've used rulers before, and you're going to draw a straight line, put your hand in the center, draw straight down, okay? Then you're going to put your name up here. And then you're going to have your ruler, and you're going to go all the way across ruler space. I already have one set here. So you can see where I've got my name, and then I've got my creases, and I'm going to stop cutting right when I get to that line. That's where you're asked your shoulder buddy, do I have it drawn right? Can I open it up? Then you're going to cut it. Now you have made a loom. That's how we're going to do our paper weaving. Names on the back, you're going to open it up, and then you're going to do the same thing with your next piece of paper, but this time you're going to leave it open. You're not going to cut it or fold it. You're not going to cut it yet. And you're going to go straight all the way across, set your ruler down, and try to keep it as straight as you can, and then I want you to just cut them one strip at a time. Now, this was a strip that was right next to here, and we have the pencil line, and you're going to make sure that you turn that over so you don't see the pencil. Now on your loom, you're going to have it set out in front of you, so you have these pieces sticking up. And you see how I pick my fingers up, and I pull up the paper, and it's going to make a pattern where you're going to alternate. It's going to be over, under, over, under. I actually have a big sample of this that I'm not sure if I'm going to be in my room this week or not. I might be taking the chart around with me and showing you. So I have a pattern. Then you go to your strip again, and like I said, you can either cut these out. I would suggest probably cutting out one at a time, because I don't know how far you're going to get, I don't know where your project's going to be. That way you'll have it all together, and you can just fold it in there, okay? You can actually put your name on the back of this one as well. Well, probably put it on the front since we're going to turn it over. So we turn it over. Now that's on top of the paper. This is going to be under the paper. So the two pieces of this color should not touch. I have chosen white. I kind of like the white with the colored. Now what you want to do is you want to bring it close together and get it tight. So you actually want to flip this over. That way it won't get messed up. See how I crinkled that paper a little bit? That's okay. I'm going to go all the way across, moving as tight as you can. Flip it back over. And then at the end, you'll have this all weaved. This is just to practice weaving. This is a very important skill. Then you're going to take your glue stick, put a little bit of glue stick, and that's it. So that's part of our paper weaving, and maybe we'll go back in and draw some designs on there. So.